So the washer machine's not working today. We have a 90 series Lady Kenmore, heavy duty. I'd hate to see what the light duties are. So what's happening is when tank was filling up, I noticed that the agitator was just loosely spinning like this. It doesn't lock and engage. So as this load of clothes filled up with water and soap, it was too late, but I would watch the wash cycle go, and this piece just wouldn't move. It would just kind of float here. So without this agitation, the clothes are just going to be wet. But everything else worked. It went through its spin cycle and drain cycle and everything. So before we do a replacement, I think we can take a look at this agitator and see if this is something that's a home fix, or if we're looking at something or just replace the whole washer machine. So this agitator has a little groove right here to flip this cap up. Excuse me, that's one-handed. Okay, it's got a O-ring on this cap. And then, okay, you can see this agitator coming up from the transmission will engage and push the agitator, and then it goes to neutral with these, or I guess it would lock it into gear with the little yellow nylon teeth, which seem to be worn, slipping. They're definitely not locking. So it looks like first step is to pull that bolt out there, and a socket with maybe an extension tool on it, because that's about 6 inches deep. It's not torqued too hard. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, so we got some other pieces here. So the agitator came off. And this piece looks like I can just clean it and set it back down in there. Looks like there's a broken piece down inside of here. Oh, I might have to get that out later. Okay, the agitator looks like it comes apart. Oh, and then the little, they're just little feet, these nylon things, and we can see one of them's broken, and they're all really worn. Funny, so that can't cost too much, but unfortunately it's Sunday, so we have to check with the appliance parts store tomorrow and finish up this repair. I think that's all we're looking at. Alright, well, hopefully you have a problem that's as simple as that, where your agitator won't turn. And boy, this looks like a $10 fix to me. Alright, check back with you later. Thanks. Okay, here we are about an hour later after a trip to the appliance parts store which happened to be open on a Sunday. And we've got these replacement parts called Dog Agitates. Fits most Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and Roper brand clothes dryers. Genuine Whirlpool quality. So brand new nylon dogs go into this piece like a puzzle. And now it works really well. The cogs here, these gears, allow it to freewheel in one direction, and then they stick and grab really firmly in the other direction. Okay, so we are good. They're all going in the right direction. Let's see. You guys let me know if I forgot any parts. And the torque wasn't too tight when I took this apart, so I'm just gonna make it, tighten it firmly. Yeah, feels good. And then there was nothing left to put on but the cap, right? Looks good. Let's do it. And now, very positively grips, doesn't slip, and it freewheels in the other direction. Alright, I'm going to call this job done. Thank you. Hopefully your project goes as well. Bye-bye.